Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, Sashrikal. This video shows you how to operate the non-conduct AC voltage detector. This kit works only on conductor and busbars in distribution and transmission power lines. Firstly, this kit contains three numbers of C-type alkaline battery cells, hot stick gun, voltage detector and snap. After places the batteries in the detector, we have to connect the hot stick gun with a snap clamp. This kit works on AC applications ranging 230 volt to 230 kV and have a selector switch settings off position test for self-testing 4.2 kV to 230 kV setting ranges. Secondly, this kit detects electric fields and does not require any physical contact. For test the voltage, place the detector heads 8 to 10 inches from the live conductor and also follow safety measures like PPE while checking the live voltage detection. After selecting the knob in test, place the detector head as shown against live wire outlet. When the detector head reaches near the live conductor, the detector gives the steady beep sound with steady light indication. If the detector head is away from the live conductor, detector gives beep sound and blink indication only. Non-contact detectors cannot check the voltage through metal conduits like enclosed panel, undergrounded and shielded grounded cables. We can check here voltage detection application chart. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.